Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Introduce us from Group 1. Want to present the results of our discussion about solar energy, which consists of me, Rian Maulana, and my friend R.
My name is
My name is
my name is Nur Syaki Maula Ditama.
My name is Ari Purwanto.
My name is Galih Permana Putra.
Okay, let's switch to presentation. Preliminary 1. Background. A solar panel is a device consisting of solar cells that convert light into electricity. They are called the suns above the suns or sol because the sun is the strongest source of light that can be harnessed. Solar panels are often called photovoltaic cells. Photovoltaics can be interpreted as like electricity. Solar cells or PV cells rely on the photovoltaic effects to absorb the sun's energy and cause currents to flow between two oppositely charged layers. Populations grow every year is very rapid. We can see in Indonesia, currently the population is more than 2015 million people. Every resident must carry out activities that utilize various sources of energy. It can be seen from the law of conservation of energy which say that energy cannot be destroyed. But that does not mean we are consumptive in the use of energy on Earth. In my view, energy saving is very necessary, not only for us, but also for our future generation. But if the needs for energy is also a lot how to overcome it. The way to overcome this is to look for other alternative energy. Alternative energy means replacement energy. With the replacement energy, we will feel a little calmer because even energy has been depleted, there is still another energy to replace it. Chapter 2. Discussion. Energy or what we know as energy resource are natural resources that can be processed by humans so that they can be used to meet energy needs. These energy resources are called primary energy source, namely energy resource in the form of what is available in nature. In general, energy resource can be divided into 1. Conventional energy resource. 2. Nuclear energy resource. 3. Renewable energy resource. Definition of alternative energy. Do you need alternative energy? Kinds of alternative energy. Examples of alternative energy in everyday life. 1. Conventional energy resource. 2. Nuclear energy resource. 3. Renewable energy resource. Based on their origins, energy resources can be classified as fossil and non-fossil. Petroleum, natural gas, and coal are referred to as fossil energy source because, according to the current theory, they come from organic bodies living this that have undergone a sedimentation process for millions of years. Meanwhile, non-fossil energy is an energy source whose formation does not come from organic bodies, including non-fossil energy sources are sunlight, water, wind, and geothermal. In terms of the use of energy source consists of primary energy and secondary energy. Energy that is directly given by nature in its original form and has not undergone a change conversion is referred to as primary energy, while secondary energy is primary energy that has undergone further processing. Petroleum, if newly extracted, newly produced to the surface. Natural gas, coal, uranium or nuclear, hydropower, biomass, geothermal, solar radiation, wind power, and seawater power in its original form is referred to as primary energy. Processed petroleum products such as fuel oil and LPG are referred to as secondary energy. If the waterfall has not been processed, it is classified as primary energy. If a power plant has been installed, the processed product, namely electrical energy, is referred to as secondary energy. Basically, secondary energy comes from processed primary energy. When viewed from the commercial value, energy source can be classified as commercial, non-commercial, and new energy. Commercial energy is energy that can be used and traded on an economic scale. Non-commercial energy demikian lur tinggi lang oh non kamar kan kaya kok ketutup dit hah kok tidak ya bisa mbok non-commercial energy is energy that can be used and can be traded but has not yet reached an economic scale.
Meanwhile, new energy is energy whose utilization is still very limited and is in the development stage or pilot project. This energy cannot be traded because it has not yet reached economies of scale. The classification based on economic value can vary by time and place. Non-commercial energy or new energy may one day become commercial energy, or non-commercial energy in one place may become commercial energy in another. Availability of energy resource is defined as the human ability to obtain this energy resource based on technology that has been developed and economically acceptable manner. Alternative energy is a term that refers to all energy that can be used with aim to replace conventional fuel without united consequence from it. Generally, this term is used to reduce the use of hydrocarbon fuel state cause environmental damage due to high carbon dioxide emission, which contribute greatly to global warming according to the Intergovernmental Panel in Climate Change. Over the years, what is actually meant as alternative energy has changed due to large number of energy options to choose from with different purpose for use. The term alternative refers to technology other than the technology used on fossil fuels to produce energy. Alternative technology are used to produce energy by overcoming problems and not producing problem, such as the use of fossil fuels. The Oxford Dictionary defines alternative energy as energy that's used to stop the use of natural resources of destruction of the environment. The need for alternative energy and coal very promising in the sense the issuance of Law No. 22 of 1999 in conjunction with Law No. 32 of 200 for the energy sector bring fresh air in increasing staff revenues. But is it true? Siti Khotijah, a lecturer at Mula Warman University, said that the really is that state revenues from the mineral and coal sector are very small, with 9,000 company since 210. Until now, the state has only reserved 67 until 80 trillion manual from the oil and gas sector. Only 100 state company research 270 trillion. But keep in mind that the use of the energy sector, especially oil and coal, needs to be limited because in the era of 70 until 18, coal export has occurred because at the time the country need for coal was minimal, but now the population growth rate that is increasing uncontrollably requires revitalization of the industrial sector to be mandatory. Actually, this paper was written not to observe the development of the energy sector too far, but how to distribute and utilize energy should start now. If we still rely on coal and oil as the only priority energy, a time of destruction and structural improvement will come. This means that we will be forced to become poor because we buy our own resource very expensively. If you look at the other set of natural resources, Indonesia is still blessed with forest areas that have enormous potential for biological research. For now, do not look at the forest just from the number of stands alone, but look at the forest as an ecosystem unit that must be preserved. Forest areas are not only in the form of trees stand, but also animal and destroy plant, herbs, water, air. So it can be said that actually losing one tree is the forest is the same as elimination 100 other potential biodiversity. The extension of forest is the main thing if we want to seriously process biological resource wisely. The abundant potential of herbs plants should be optimally developed. The potential of water is also a vital thing for human life. Abundant water resource with good quality will be difficult to obtain if the extent of the forest is lost. Image if Kalimantan forests are damaged so that many rivers, including the Kapuas River, are no longer able to absorb rainwater and cannot drain water from upstream to downstream properly. What do the people of Kalimantan want to live with if there is no river? In the end, my conclusion is that support and seriously efforts from the government for the development of alternative energy need to be carried out as soon as possible. Promotion of other forms of energy apart from fuel should as law be a property for the government, and lastly the extent of forests and their ecosystem must always be maintained because forests are actually a national sovereignty whose extent has never been felt. Because with alternative energy the future of our children and grandchildren can be more secure, and the exploitation of not renewable energy can be safe. Example of
Example of atomic energy. The following will discuss the precious alternative energy source. 1. Natural power. The control natural reaction process can be an alternative energy source that has enormous potential. The nuclear process is also known as a fission reaction. In nuclear power plants, the heat generated by fission reaction is used to evaporate water. The system product is the used to track alternative which then produce step after five converts in 2007 suffered that about 14% of the world electric supply is made by nuclear power plants. So, biomass energy. This energy source comes from the rest of the metabolism of living things. The remains of living things can be in the form of animal waste or the result of decaying plant remains. There of the result of the composition of collects info are stored. Therefore, energy to the mechanism of animal just that Oscar. The animal rest the Oscar product energy. Then the energy is stored and converted into other energy, biological matter that is alive or that is known as biomass. Biomass is commonly used a full core or for industrial production. Live plants, dusters, and wood chips are passed into biomass. About 0.5 of the electric in the United States is record to be generated from biomass energy. 3. Natural gas. Natural gas has now become an active energy source that is when used by the world community of versus peppers. but for residential, commercial, and industrial, from years to years, the use of natural gas is always interesting. This is because the my address is natural gas compared to other energy source. The energy produced by natural gas is more often. You like this gas with oil and coal. This use is much clearer and very environmentally friendly so that it does not cause pollution overtime. In addition, natural gas also has several other advantages such as colors, neutrals, non-harvest, and non-toxic. Before burning as an energy source, natural gas is usually compressed fish until it turns into a liquid. 4. Geothermal. Geothermal energy is energy produced by magma in the birth of the earth. The hot rock has in surrounding water creating a source of hot steam and gas. The gases are rising and produce hot steam. The hot steam is used to drive a drifting wet wheel through a generator to produce electrical energy. Geothermal is a another energy source that is electrical rebel and environment friendly. Platform is friendly energy source, so it is from flow and the use of space heat and for breathing purpose. Also, scale material is alternative energy source that can be used electric. 5. Hydroelectric power station. Water is one of the most useful renewable energy source. Water can produce energy in the form of water cools, vapors, and hot water. Water converts and usually generated by waterfalls of rivers. The power produced by the water is usually used to turn to the table of electric generator. Plant flies store great energy. Hydrofalling water can be described to turn. As a result, the thermal will record that its electric generator works. The generator can produce electric that is used for daily needs. Therefore, for the dam power plants are usually built.
Six. Wind power. Wind is wind is one of the most important source of energy. Since ancient times, wind has been widely used to propel sailboats. In addition, wind is used to drive the well of rice, sago, and wheat mills. Currently, wind is widely used as an alternative energy source. For example, wind is used
Ini
to turun turbine that has blades. These blades are connected to a generator. When the blades move, the generator will generate electric based being determined by the wind speed. The electrical energy produced is also determined by the length of the turbine blades. The longer the blades of a turbine, the more electric it's produced. For example, a 14 million Hig wind turbine can generate electric that can be used by about 160 homes. 7. Solar power. Solar power is commonly used for generating electric. Technological development allow solar cars to be faster, easier to transport, and more efficient. Solar energy illuminates the earth during the day. In addition, sunlight is used by green plants to carry out pots. This solar energy is also used to heat water or generate electrical. Therefore, lake energy is commonly referred to as solar power. Heating water with solar power requires a device called a solar panel. Solar panels are usually made of black metal plates connected to water pipes. These plates will transfer the sun heat to the water flowing along the pipe. Solar power can also be used to generate electricity. The tools needed to generate this electric are concave mirrors and turbines. The mirror will move in the direction of the sun as passes through the sky. The mirror faces the lake on a tower. In the tower, the absorb to drive a turbine. This turbine will generate electrical. Solar electricity is very useful for rural communities or remote places. The electrical can be used to turn off light, television, and even refrigerators. Solar energy can be converted into electrical energy with solar cells. The usage of solar cells include running coils, calculator, and outdoor lighting. Invest solar cell with complex array of can provide electrical power to cells. Ocean wave energy. Ocean wave with breaking on the beach can also produce a lot of energy. This energy can be converted into electricity. The use of seawater wave energy can be explained as follows. The ocean wave headed for the sloping space built along the shore. The wave pushes the air in the turbine chamber so that the turbine can rotate. This turbine rotation can generate electricity through an electric generator. When the wave out of the room can also rotate the turbine. This method can also generate electricity. Product steam. The steam is the used to drive a turbine which is connection to a generator. From this process, electrical is generated. As the name suggests, ocean wave can be used to generate electricity. The technology allowed in has great potential is not yet widely used. The main obstacle in expanding its use is the negative impact it will have one have on the marine environment. Power generation from ocean wave has the potential to disrupt fishing effort well as the natural landscape of the marine environment. Tidal energy, like energy from ocean wave. Tidal energy is also not widely used. However, experts say it is a promising alternative energy source in the future. These are considered promising because they easy to produce unlike solar and wind energy. One of the main factors that prevent tidal technology from being widely applied is the high cost and the scarcity of area with large tidal difference. Turbine can also be driven using tidal power at high the water flowing into reverse or reverse mode can turn a giant turbine. This turbine is equipped with current breaker. The current blocker works like a dam in it trap water. 10 volts it to generate electricity. People are full the come from living things, both from plants and animals. Biofuels from plants include sea plants, the contain oil, such as sunflower, olive, chestnut, peanut, and soybean. The oil product is usually used as a diesel mixture to run diesel engines and bus. Sugars in also often used to produce biofuels. The juice of sugar cane pine is extracted to be processed into sugar. The result sugar is used to make alcohol. Alcohol can be mixed with gasoline as a fuel. A mixture of alcohol and gasoline is known as gasoil. Biofuels from animals usually come from cows, sheep, and whales. This fat can be made into candles for lighting. Biofuel also come from animal waste. Animal waste is put in the basement hole called digester. The dirt, the release made gas. This gas is flammable, so it can be used to chop and dead water. Example of alternative energy in daily life. Solar panel. A solar panel is a device connecting of solar cells. This joint the leak in the electric. The air called the sun above the sun or soul because the sun is the strongest source of light that can be harnessed. Solar panels are often called photovoltaic cells. Photovoltaic and be interpret like electricity. Solar cells or PV cells rely on the photovoltaic effect to absorb the sun energy and cause current to follow between two opposite circuit lines. Because current home applies run on alternating tunes AC. Solar panels would have a power inverter that converts distortions DC from solar cell in alternative current AC. The ideal position of the solar panel is to face directly into the sun. Modern solar panels have good opting protection in the form of terminally solar energy in electricity when the rest water as heat and with convert less to 7% of this available solar energy in electricity. The rest was heat with protection overthink even can significantly reduce efficiency of the solar panel. Solar panel are very as to maintain as there are no moving parts. The only thing to worry about is making sure to get rid of anything that could block the sun's rays from reacting the solar panel. The amount of solar panels used in the world electricity generation is very small, held back by their high cost per watt compared to fossil fuels. It could be 10 times higher, depending on the circumstance. They have become routine in some limited applications such as running buoys or tolls in industries and other remote areas. And in other experiments, they have been used to power race cars in contests such as the World Solar Challenge in Australia. Today, cost of solar panels make it impractical for everyday use where power is readily available. If energy costs rise over a period of time, or if a production breakthrough occurs, the reduction the cost of producing solar panels. This is unlikely to happen anytime soon.
Yes, that's the presentation from our group. Sorry if there are still many mistakes in reading. Thank you for the attention of friends. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.